Abandoned house. The house on the corner had been abandoned for years, but two kids, James and Lily, dare each other to go in.
You really think we should do this, Lily?
said James.
Come on, James. It's just an old house. What's the worst that could happen?
said Lily. They push open the creaky front door, revealing a dimly lit, dusty living room. Cobwebs hang from the ceiling. James and Lily explore further, entering the gloomy kitchen. A broken window lets in a sliver of light.
This place gives me the creeps, Lily,
said James nervously.
Don't be such a scaredy cat, James. Let's check upstairs,
said Lily bravely. They ascend a rickety staircase, the old wood groaning beneath their feet. At the top, they find a hallway leading to several closed doors. Then they enter a bedroom, filled with faded photographs and dusty furniture. Lily picks up an old photo of a smiling family.
Look at this, James. It's like a snapshot of another time,
said Lily curiously. They continue exploring and find another door slightly ajar. They cautiously push it open, revealing a room filled with eerie, flickering candlelight. In the mysterious room, they discover a hauntingly beautiful, but ancient-looking music box. It plays a haunting melody on its own.
We should get out of here, Lily,
said James frighteningly.
Just one more minute, James. It's so beautiful,
said Lily. As Lily reaches out to touch the music box, a ghostly figure suddenly appeared. It was a woman in tattered clothes. Her face was pale and her eyes were filled with anguish. She extended a trembling hand towards Lily. But when the woman was about to touch the lily, a blinding light erupts from the music box, forcing the ghostly figure to retreat. Kids got seized. They wanted to run away, but they can't move with fear.
Lily, we need to get out of here,
said James.
I can't move, James,
said Lily.
Who are you? What do you want?
asked Lily from the woman.
I am Margaret and my family was trapped by a curse,
said woman.
Did you see that, Lily? That woman, she was a ghost.
James' voice was shaking.
I know, James, and she said her family was trapped by a curse. We have to help them. We have to find out what happened to her family and break that curse.
Then both kids carefully examine the living room, searching for clues.
Look, Lily, there's a torn piece of paper under this dusty rug,
said James.
This must be the key to finding the treasure and breaking the curse, but it won't be easy,
said Lily. James retrieved the piece of paper and revealed an old map with cryptic symbols and markings. Following the map's instructions, James and Lily venture into the overgrown backyard of the house. They dig at a specific spot and found the box.
Could this be it?
said James.
Open it, James. Let's see what's inside,
said Lily. James opened the box. The ghostly voice of Margaret Harris echoed in the air, and the box seemed to emit a faint glow. James and Lily cautiously hold the box in their hands and entered the mysterious room once more. The ghostly figure of Margaret appeared before them, her expression now filled with hope. As James and Lily placed the box on an ornate pedestal in the room, a bright light filled the space. The curse began to lift. The curse that had haunted the Harris family for generations finally shattered. And the ghostly family of Margaret Harris appeared before kids, with smiles of gratitude.